We'll guide you through how to allow apps to use the camera on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So if you want an app to be able to access the camera, we need to go and allow that. We're going to guide you through how this can be done and also go and troubleshoot if you're unable to. So make sure there's full guide, because then you'll be able to go and use the camera. Whether that is to go and record a video, take a photo, or go and scan something, it doesn't matter. Let's go and dive straight into this. So for example, let me go and find Instagram like so. I'll press the profile icon in the bottom right, then press the plus on the story, and I'll press camera. As you can see, we need to allow Instagram access to our camera. So to go about this, we can come out of it. Then what you want to do is go and find settings on your iPhone. As you can see, here it is, and you want to go and open it up. Now what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down to the bottom, find the option for apps, and you can tap in here. Then in apps, we need to go and find the option for Instagram. You can scroll all the way down. This is alphabetical, so come to I for Instagram and then tap Instagram. Then it will go and say allow Instagram to access, and you should go and see the option for camera. You can then go and switch it on. Now, if you go and find the camera is missing here, first of all, make sure you've tried opening the camera in Instagram. So try posting a story and you should get the prompt. If that doesn't work though, and you don't see the option here, the next you want to try doing is restarting your iPhone. You can press the volume increase, decrease, and then you tap and hold the side power button. When you go and do that, you'll go and say slide the power off, but just keep that side power button held down. Surely it will go black and release it when you go into the Apple icon. It will then go and start up again. And then when it's back on, you want to come and return to your Instagram settings as we currently are here. And the option should then be there and you can go and switch on camera. And then hopefully you'll be able to go and use it. If you still find that it's missing, the next thing you need to do is come back to your main settings. Scroll up, find the option for general. Then you can scroll down and find the option for transfer or reset iPhone. Go down and press reset, and you can go and reset location and privacy. So click that there, enter in your passcode to confirm this, and that'll then go and reset the privacy settings. And what you then need to do is go back to Instagram, whatever app you're using, and try getting prompted to use the camera. So on Instagram, try taking a story, and you should then go and get the prompt to go and allow access to the camera, and hopefully you then can. If you still find that you can't, what you want to try doing is deleting the app you're having the problem with. So as it was Instagram, I'd go and tap and hold my finger on it, go down to the bottom and press remove app, and then go and delete it. Confirm my decision, delete it, and then we can go and download it again, open it up and log in, and then try getting prompted to use the camera. So I'd try taking a story on Instagram, and then we should be able to go and give it access. If you found this useful, then leave a like.